Are you ready to elevate your career in artificial intelligence in 2025? Whether you're just starting out or looking to specialize, the right certification can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 AI certifications from AI CERTs that can propel your career forward. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. First up is AI plus Everyone, perfect for beginners eager to understand AI fundamentals. This certification covers the basics of AI, its applications, and ethical considerations, providing a solid foundation for any AI career path. Next is AI plus Product Manager, designed for professionals aiming to integrate AI into product development. This certification delves into AI concepts, machine learning fundamentals, and the AI product development lifecycle, equipping you to lead AI-driven projects effectively. For those with a programming background, AI plus Developer offers an in-depth journey into AI development. You'll master Python, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and more, preparing you to build and deploy AI solutions confidently. AI plus Engineer is tailored for professionals seeking to specialize in AI engineering. This certification covers AI architecture, neural networks, large language models, and generative AI, providing advanced knowledge for complex AI system development. Lastly, AI plus Government is ideal for those in the public sector aiming to leverage AI for governance. This certification explores AI applications in public safety, citizen services, and policy development, enabling you to drive innovation in government operations. Remember, certifications are most impactful when complemented by practical experience. Build a portfolio of AI projects to demonstrate your skills and stand out to employers. Ready to take the next step in your AI career? Explore these certifications and more at 𝘖certs.ai. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into advancing your tech career.